Like a Hellcat.
Okay guys, what's going on? Xander58. I'm making a brand new video. Today I'm making a speed solving this 3x3 Rubik's Cube. I never made a Rubik's Cube video for a long time, for a while I think. So let me get it started right now. So yeah. Look around the cube first. Make sure everything's Gucci. And I'm gonna get started. Oh my god, that did not count. I accidentally pushed it. Okay. Oh my Gucci mama. Crappy crap. And someone's text me on Snapchat. Don't worry guys, it's not my girlfriend. I don't have a girlfriend anymore. If I did have a girlfriend, I'll tell you about it. I'll make a video about it, but I don't have a girlfriend. She broke up with me. Oh my god, she broke up with me. That's why I don't have a girlfriend. My fingers hurt. Okay, let's fix this up again. I think this cube is gonna fall apart pretty soon. Okay. I think I did something wrong. Yeah, screw it. Guys, we're just gonna redo that one. We're gonna do one more solve because this is gonna take forever to do. So I'm just gonna do one more and that's it. This video, I don't want this video to be that long. Oh my god, bro. This video is too long. I need to upload this and all that shit. Oh my god, my camera fell. Actually, it's my phone. Okay, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's gonna be all today because I'm not gonna do all that crap because I mean, solving this Rubik's Cube takes for me forever. Kind of, not forever, but kind of takes me forever now. So what I'm gonna do is not solve this. I solved it today, but I'm gonna end the video today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a comment below what video I should make next. Like I can make another Minecraft series. I can continue NBA Live. I could do anything. I'll make a music video probably. Well, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Alexander, hope you stay home, stay safe. Xander 58 out. Peace.